Good morning, my wonderful people. Good morning, my wonderful people. I am Donna Bent Thompson from St. Elizabeth, now residing in Manchester South, and seeking some assistance to do some farming where we're gonna need some seeds, some yam heads, water, some fertilizer. We do not plan on going too much into the fertilizer, but at the moment where this it's a new beginning, so we're going to need some fertilizer to just get the place up and running. So here we have these are some cocos that we just planted over here. Some cocos, we just planted them, and these are just planted, but we're gonna need some more cocoa head as well. And over here we have some sweet potatoes, as you can see. I have some sweet potatoes. We have some place where we dig. We're gonna need also some money to help us to, as we can look back here, we have a lot of macca on the piece of land here at the back over there. So we're gonna need this to cut down. We're gonna need need also a power saw to help us to cut down these maccas. And back over there we have this is still a sweet potato. We have some coconut trees over there. Yam hills are there. That was there before, so we're gonna just refurbish those, get the place cleaned up, refurbish those yam hills. We have a naseberry tree here, and we were just trying out because we just moved back, so we're trying to set back the most important thing at the moment for us. So still a sweet potato. These are some tomato trees, and they are looking lovely, really lovely. We have little scallion here because when we're coming back, we don't want to be going to the market to buy our scallion and our thymes. So we have few, and they are looking very lovely. We might just have to take up part of our farming in scallion and thyme as we watch how these are progressing. I have some callaloo seed at home, just waiting on some water, some rain to fall to sow them so we can plant them over here as well. Then we have some corns. We have some corns again. I have some pumpkin seeds in my hand. I'm gonna extend further on with the pumpkin. Over here we have some string beans. I have a few string beans here, or string beans, and they're looking good. Even though it's a bit dry up here, we had a little bit of a drizzle yesterday evening. And let me go a little bit further over here. Now we have some pumpkin. Through this area, we have some pumpkin. I just came by this morning to draw a little grass around the root to keep it a bit moist, as we have these pumpkin here. I'm gonna plant some more later on. There's the small ones there just coming up. We planted some, but seems like a snail have eaten those. So we have a pumpkin here. We planted some sorrels, but they did not perform so good. Here we have broad beans, and you can see now we have beans on the tree. Yes, it started to bear. So we have beans on the tree, trees, beans, broad beans, sugar bean. Still have pumpkin over here. Have some pumpkin here. Yeah, we have a little small one growing. We have a gungo tree over there with some dry gungo. We are planning on extending the gungo as well, because having a farm without beans, because we do not eat meat, we do not consume meat, we do not consume any form of flesh. So here we have some broad beans again. So since we don't consume any beans, we'll have to make sure that we have our own grains. We have some canes over there. We're gonna take the time and clean up those canes, because sugar should not be in our diet as well. So we are trying as best as possible to get rid of sugar out of our diet, all the sugary things. So we'll have to use the canes to sweeten and to bake, as we like to bake as well. So some more canes over there, and more pumpkin. And here's another little pumpkin. It's growing. So we have to come here eat and wet them daily. Another pumpkin, smaller one there, gungo. And we have here a rose apple tree. This is a rose apple tree, and we're, by the grace of God, just trying to get things together. Over here we have some plantain trees. Here, and we have bananas as well. So we are seeking some assistance. We wanted some yam heads. We need a little power saw, not a big one that probably will cost about $25,000, somewhere about there. And we're gonna need um, some yam heads, because we are not just doing this for ourselves alone. We are doing it to help others that are in need. The bartering system.